How to fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. To fix this Instagram problem, follow the given steps. First, swipe up the home screen of your phone to open the control center. Now, connect your Wi-Fi to get a strong internet connection. Turn on and off to reconnect the airplane mode and the Bluetooth option. Go to the Settings app on your phone and tap General in the menu list. Here, tap the Software Update option. If there are any updates available, then update the software to the latest version. Go back to the General menu and select the iPhone storage option. Scroll down to find the Instagram app and tap on it. Next, press the Offload app button, and it will delete the app from your phone. Reinstalling the app can fix this issue. Go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Now, download the latest version of the app to avoid bugs on Instagram.